Have you ever looked at a small YouTube channel and thought, wait, how do they already have 1,000 subscribers when their videos barely have any views? It almost feels unfair, right? Like there's some secret YouTube club where only a few people know the real rules. But here's the truth. They do know something you don't. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how small creators are secretly hitting 1,000 subscribers fast, even when it looks like nobody's watching their video. Because it's not luck, it's not bot, and it's definitely not posting every day and hoping for the best. They've learned to play YouTube's real game, the one that has nothing to do with views and everything to do with trust, clarity, and retention. So if you've been stuck under 1K for months, this video will change how you see your channel forever. Let's start with the part YouTube doesn't tell you. The truth about views. Most creators think views equals growth, but that's not really how YouTube measures success. YouTube's real goal is to keep people on the platform, so it doesn't care how many people click your video, it cares what happens next. Do they stay and watch till the end? Do they click another video after yours? Do they come back tomorrow? That's what tells the algorithm this creator keeps people here, so push their content more. So when you see a small channel with low views but high sub, it means their audience retention is high. It means people who do find them actually stay, binge, and subscribe. It's not about going viral once, it's about being the channel people remember after they scroll. That's why some creators grow quietly, steadily, and then boom, 1 month after, everything explodes. Section 2. The secret growth formula. Here's the simple formula small channels use, even with 0 views at first. Step 1. Niche clarity. They know exactly who they are talking to. Not everyone who likes YouTube, but new creators trying to grow from scratch. When your audience is crystal clear, your titles, thumbnails, and script all speak directly to that one person. YouTube picks up on that. It starts recommending your videos to more people like them. So before you worry about keywords or views, ask yourself, who is this video really for? You need to know who your target audience are before you can start creating content tailored to those particular audience. Step 2, which is retention. Instead of thinking, how can I make this video 10 minutes long? They think, how can I make this video impossible to click away from? That means cutting the fluff, hooking viewers in the first 5 seconds, using patterns, curiosity, and storytelling to hold attention. Small creators who master this, they grow because YouTube doesn't push long videos, it pushes watched videos. So retention is key. Step 3, consistency without burnout. They post consistently, not daily, but predictably. YouTube's system loves patterns. If you upload every Tuesday and Friday at 6 p.m., over time, the platform learns when to expect your video, and so do your viewers. It's like training the algorithm to anticipate you. And here's the fun part. Once YouTube knows when to expect your upload, it starts testing your content with more viewers at that time. That's how you suddenly wake up to better impression and higher CTR. Section 3. The hidden power of CTR. CTR, or click-through rate, is YouTube's love language. If you did not know YouTube's love language, now you do. It's how it knows people want your video. Think of it like this. You upload a video and YouTube tests it with 100 people. If 2 people click, that's a 2% CTR. If 8 people click, YouTube's like, oh, people are interested. Let's show it to 1,000 more people. That's literally how videos go from 0 to thousands of views. It's not magic, it's just data. But small creators who grow fast know how to optimize CTR without clickbait. They do these 3 simple things. 1. They title their videos with emotion, not keywords. For example, you could say, how I got my first 1K subs with only 12 views. That hits harder than how to get 1K subscribers. For their thumbnail contrast, they make it clean, minimal, and easy to read in 2 seconds. And then the last thing is promise plus curiosity. Every thumbnail should promise a result and tease the how. It's not about fancy graphics, it's about instant emotion. Section 4. The invisible growth phase. Here's what most creators don't realize. You grow before you see numbers. When your CTR, retention, and watch time improve, YouTube starts testing your videos wider, even if views look stuck. Behind the scenes, the algorithm is learning who your perfect viewer is. So if you're getting 20 views per video, but those 20 people watch 90% of it, you're winning. Because that data tells YouTube these videos perform really well when shown to the right people. The moment YouTube finds a larger group like that, your channel spikes. That's why growth looks sudden from the outside. But in reality, it's data quietly stacking up until the system finally understands who to send your videos to. So if your growth feels invisible right now, it's not. You're literally in the test phase before takeoff. Section 5. The trust loop. Want to know the real reason people subscribe? It's not because they like your video. It's because they trust your consistency. Think about it. You don't subscribe to one hit wonders. You subscribe to people who make you feel like this person gets it and I know they'll keep showing up. That's what small creators do differently. They don't chase viral spike. They build trust loops. Section 6. The take-up strategy. So here's how you can use all this starting today. 1. Pick one micro niche. Don't just make YouTube tips. Make YouTube tips for small channels under 1K. That's your audience and speak to them directly. 2. Post twice a week. Same days, same time. Train the algorithm and your audience to expect your videos and to know when your videos are coming. 3. Focus your first 30 seconds like your life depends on it, because it kind of does, at least your video's life. 4. Design titles like emotions, not tutorial. For example, why nobody's watching your video, but it's not your fault. That is way more clickable. 5. Track only 3 metrics. That is your CTR, average view duration, and your returning viewers. If all 3 rise, your channel is next. So yes, small channels are secretly getting 1K subscribers fast, but it's not a secret anymore. They are not chasing numbers, they are mastering the details. And if you start applying this, even with 0 views, the algorithm won't be able to ignore you, because YouTube doesn't reward the biggest creators. It rewards the most consistent, the most watchable, and the most trusted. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, not just for me, but so YouTube knows that this is the kind of content creators need to see more of. Now go and create. You're closer to 1K than you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.